All right, this video is about embedding a PDF or any document on Canvas. What you want to do is you want to press that icon right here, press Upload Document, click on this picture, and you're going to upload any PDF file of your choice. Then you're going to click on that button that says Submit. You're going to notice that the image doesn't appear here. So what you want to do is you want to click on Link Options. Then you're going to click on this button that says automatically open an inline preview, and you're going to press done. And you're going to notice that the image doesn't appear here at all. Well, you have to push save down here. And there you have it.